Have you ever noticed how laughter spreads instantly in a joyful moment? That feeling of shared happiness has a beautiful word in English, merriment. Let's explore it together and make this word part of your everyday vocabulary. Meaning and definition. Merriment means great happiness, fun, and laughter, especially when people are enjoying themselves together. It often describes joyful moments filled with smiles, jokes, and celebration. Pronunciation: merriment. Part of speech, noun. When there is merriment, the atmosphere feels light, cheerful, and full of positive energy. Synonyms of merriment. Synonyms are words with similar meanings. Common synonyms of merriment include joy, a deep feeling of happiness; gaiety, cheerful celebration; jollity, lively fun with others; cheerfulness, a bright, happy mood; festivity, happiness during celebrations. Example: instead of saying, "The room was full of merriment," you can say, "The room was full of joy and laughter." Antonyms of merriment. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. Antonyms of merriment include sadness, gloom, misery, melancholy. These words describe emotions that are quiet, heavy, or unhappy. Example sentences: the children's laughter filled the house with merriment during the holidays. Music, dancing, and food added to the merriment of the wedding. Even a simple joke can bring merriment to a stressful day. Notice how merriment is often connected to groups, celebrations, and shared happiness. Everyday usage tip. Use merriment when you want to sound expressive and positive, especially while talking about festivals, parties, family gatherings, or joyful memories. It adds warmth and emotion to your English. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep growing with Thesaurus Thrive.